Hi, my name's Peter Googe, Product Manager with Kuhn Krause, and in this video we're going to talk about how to set the tractor SCV controls for the Accelerator XT8010 when it's equipped with Smart Soil Technology. As I mentioned in a previous video, there are 3 tractor SCVs required to run the machine. Number 1 is the lift lower, and we can set this SCV up with 100% flow so that we're picking up the machine and putting it down as fast as possible. And then if we're going to run a timer on that SCV, we want to set that timer just long enough that it picks the machine up at the end row and that it gets the machine down to the point where the blades are just on the ground when we're pulling back into work. We don't want the SCV lower timer to be set any longer than necessary because we don't want that SCV to actually fight the Smart Soil Tech system. So just get it set to the point where as that machine's coming back down into work, the blades just touch the ground and the SCV turns off. Usually this is between 4 and 5 seconds, but it'll vary a little bit by tractor brand. The second SCV that we're going to set up is for the fold-unfold, and this one wants to be set so that we've got 3 to 5 gallons per minute of flow. So depending on the tractor brand you're working with, will dictate where on the scale for the flow adjustment that we're going to get that 3 to 5 gallons a minute, but that's the kind of flow that we're looking for there. We don't really want to set a timer on this SCV. We would rather just manually use the SCV to fold and unfold the machine. We certainly don't want to have that SCV set in constant flow because unlike a machine without Smart Soil Technology, we're not using the fold-unfold SCV to provide the wing down pressure. Wing down pressure is all controlled by Smart Soil Tech itself. So when we're in work, that fold-unfold CV should be set in the off position. The third and final SCV that we're going to talk about is the one that provides oil flow to the hydraulic block for the Smart Soil Tech system itself. This SCV wants to be set with about 3 gallons per minute flow rate. We do have a restrictor in that hydraulic block, so increasing the hydraulic flow from the tractor will not cause functions to work any more quickly, and it'll only serve to heat the oil up unnecessarily. So bring that flow back down to somewhere around that 3 gallons a minute range. Again, where that is on the scale on the tractor is going to be determined by the actual tractor brand. We want to have that SCV set in constant flow, of course, because for SST to function, we need to have a constant flow of oil circulating through that block. With the SCVs on the tractor set correctly, we're ready to go to work.